Welcome to the third webinar in the Hands Together series. Today we focus on digital tools for intergenerational learning and in particular on how virtual reality can act as a bridge between generations. In this session, we will explore how immersive technologies can reduce digital exclusion, how they can connect young and older people through shared experience, and how these encounters can foster empathy, creativity, and lifelong learning. Before we begin, let me remind you that this project has been funded by the European Union. The views and opinions expressed here are those of the authors only and do not necessarily reflect the official position of the European Union or the European Education and Culture Executive Agency. Neither the European Union or EACEA can be held responsible for them. Virtual reality, or VR, is an immersive technology that uses head-mounted displays to create the feeling of being present in a different place. Originally developed mainly for games and entertainment, it's now increasingly applied in education, healthcare, and the social innovation. In this project, VR is explored as a tool for social inclusion. It has the potential to connect generations, enabling young people and older adults to learn together, share experience, and create new memories. In practice, young people record their travels and cultural events using VR tools, while seniors can explore this journey without leaving home. For seniors, this opens a window to the world. For the young, it provides a chance to practice empathy and storytelling. The co-creation process strengthens human connection, making technology a bridge rather than a barrier. Here's how the session will unfold. We will begin with an introduction to inclusive technologies and the idea of intergenerational learning. We will then reflect on why learning across generations matters today more than ever. Next, we will explore the use of virtual reality as an inclusive technology, followed by an example of how young people can create VR travel applications for seniors to share their journeys. Along this way, we will look at good practices in designing VR experience for older adults, including practical design tips and tools. Finally, we will summarize the key lessons and discuss how these approaches can be applied in broader contexts. Intergenerational learning creates value on both sides. For young people, working with seniors develops empathy, patience, and creativity. It strengthens digital skills since they have to adapt technology to different needs. For seniors, it means staying mentally active, improving cognitive stimulation, and gaining a sense of inclusion in the digital world. Shared projects also increase motivation and satisfaction for both groups. A teenager who helps a grandparent use VR not only transfers knowledge, but also receives life stories and reflections that no textbook could offer. This mutual exchange creates meaningful connections and turns learning into a truly lifelong journey. The presented project illustrates the approach through VR traveling applications. Young participants record journeys using 360-degree cameras, take photos and add narration. These materials are developed into simple VR apps tailored to seniors' needs. Seniors, from the comfort of their homes, can join this journey walking through the streets of Paris, visiting cultural festivals, or experiencing the seaside. The real magic lies in the co-creation. Seniors do not just consume the content, they actively shape it. They give feedback, they guide the young in terms of cultural context and storytelling. The young provide the technical skills, and the seniors enrich the experience with meaning. Together, they build applications that reflect both perspectives. Recording immersive journeys does not require expensive equipment. With relatively affordable 360-degree cameras like Insta360 or GoPro Max, young people can document everyday trips, cultural events, or personal adventures. What matters is not creating long, complicated videos, but short clips of 2 or 3 minutes. This matches the comfort and attention span of many older adults. Narration is equally important. Describing what the viewer is seeing, explaining contents, and adding personal reflections. By uploading this content into a VR app, young people turn ordinary moments into accessible experience for seniors, allowing them to see the world through the eyes of a younger generation. Designing VR for older adults requires sensitivity and simplicity. The interface should be intuitive, with large and clear buttons and as few steps as possible. Voice instructions should be short and consistent, avoiding technical jargon. Physical comfort is crucial. Headsets should be lightweight, and seniors should always have the option to sit during the experience. Fast movements, sudden transitions, or disappearing menus should be avoided. Seniors need more time to react, and pacing must be slower. Above all, co-design is key. By testing application directly with seniors, collecting their feedback, and adapting the design, we ensure that the technology truly serves their needs rather than frustrating them. Let's try to create the VR experience for seniors together using ThinkLink. To do so, open ThinkLink.com and either sign in with Google, Apple, or Facebook, or create a new account with your email. It prompts confirm your email address to activate your workspace. From the left menu, open Scenarios and click Create Scenario. Enter a clear name. Choose Linear Scenario as the type, then click Use this template. In a linear scenario, you can add different block types, such as text, 360 image, 360 video, and questions, to build your sequence. You can edit any block, change the text, upload or replace your 360 image and videos, drag to reposition elements, and adjust settings. Inside each block, for example a 360 image, you can add tags. Tags can hold text, images, audio or links, and the content opens when viewers click or tap the tag icon. click preview to see your work in action. And magic happens. One of the most beautiful aspects of this project is the shared learning process. Instead of one group teaching the other, both became teachers and learners. Young people guide seniors step by step in using VR technology, from putting on the headset to navigating the application. Seniors, in turn, share stories, cultural insights and life experience connected to the journey they explore. This reciprocity creates balance. Seniors improve their digital literacy, while the young develop empathy and communication skills. It transforms what could have been a one-way transfer of knowledge into a genuine exchange that strengthens intergenerational bonds. VR also brings specific benefits to seniors' well-being. It allows them to revisit meaningful places from their past, or explore entirely new ones without physical limitations. For many, this reduces feelings of loneliness and social isolation. In some cases, VR sessions are even combined with physical therapy, helping with mobility and balance through guided experience. Research supports these outcomes, showing that VR can improve mood, increase relaxation, and contribute to overall well-being. By combining entertainment, social connection, and health benefits, VR becomes a holistic tool for senior care. Creating VR content has become easier than ever. You don't need to be a programmer. Tools like ThinkLink allow users to add narration and interactive icons to 360 photos or videos. CoSpaces Edu lets young people design interactive VR worlds with simple drag and drop tools, making it a great choice for education. Mozilla Hubs provides a virtual meeting room where 360 video content can be shared in real time with others. And for those looking for open source options, Marzipanel allows you to add hotspots and simple interactions to VR content. By choosing the right tool, even beginners can create meaningful VR experience. Want to learn more? If you would like to explore how to create and edit 360 videos for VR, here are a few useful links and resources. Step-by-step guides on capturing 360 content, tutorials on editing immersive videos, platforms and communities for sharing VR projects. These materials can help you start experimenting with your own VR creations. The project is possible thanks to the collaboration on our consortium of partners from across Europe. University, NGOs and cultural institutions have joined forces to test how digital tools can support intergenerational learning. By combining expertise in technology, pedagogy and social inclusion, we ensure that the solutions we propose are not only technically feasible but also socially meaningful. Thank you very much for joining us in this webinar. We hope that examples and practices shared here will inspire you to see VR not only as an entertainment, but as a bridge between generations. To stay updated, follow the Hands Together project on social media or visit our website at handstogether.eu. Together we can make technology a tool for inclusion and lifelong learning.